Hello everyone. So for today's video, I want to share the obstacle challenge nga gibuhat nilang Cupid as a Boy Scout. So maoli ang first nga obstacle kaning dog cover enroll. So mo ni lang giunang buhat. Mo ni ang first sa challenge nila and so dapat tuloy-tuloy ta siya pero kanina time is wala. It's because kanang daghan naman ang students nag-una then ang uban nga challenge is lisod man so they need time to do it. So they have to wait. So sayo pa ni nga buntag I think 8:30 nagsugod na ni ilang activity and it's raining. So kani nga activity nila perfect kayo. Ang weather perfect kayo ng activity so paspas kaya nagkakamang si Cupid. So they have to wait because napay nagkamang sa kuan. So kanino as part of their challenge they need to kanang basaon sila para dangog jud. Dangog ang kaning ilahang kamang-kamangan. So daghan pa man ang nag-una. Tanawon nimo sila ng very lingaw kaayo. Kung ako siguro is kapoy na siya. But for them, it's very entertaining. And for them, it's so fun to do it. So Cupid kept asking me a day before. He kept asking me, kept telling me that he want to do the obstacle challenge. And I said yes. It's because I think this kind of experience he will never forget. Because this is a very good experience as a kid. So this time it's the raining is getting stronger. I mean the raining the rain is getting stronger. Ay, nako, naunsa na tani. So it's very slippery. I'm scared that he gets slipped when he jumps. But he don't care about it. I think for him this active this activity gives so much fun for him and he always wanted to do this and he kept telling me that he want to do it every day if there's a chance. I think it's normal for kids to like this activity but other kids during this kind of challenge some kids said that it's so tiring and it's hard to do it but I do not see my son getting tired of it. He's really enjoying it. So basically, it should be moving faster, but they have to wait because a lot of students join this. So as supported parents, teachers, karon na nagpayong diha, nag-assist na sila, and parents are watching their kids doing those activities. So una is nagkamang sila and this time ang backra nila na sad ang nakatouch sa ground or kaning challenge. So this time is the ground is very wet already. As you can see, it's very wet jud na kay a lot of students, a lot of scouts nang niagi na ani and they keep buo tubig. So very messy, very dirty na si Cupid this time. Watching him doing it's like um it's really hard, but for him, he is still full of energy and look at him. even even if he's tired, he keeps smiling and you can see that he really enjoys it. So after this area, they go to the next round. They go to the next activity. So this time, he do it fast. He do it fast every challenge. So he's running, going to a line for the next activity. So, mauna ni ilang mga dagway. So, they are very happy though. It's tiring kind of activity, but they really enjoys it. That's the most important part. That's the most important thing. You can see your kids doing this um, physical activity challenge, and it's really amazing. So kani nga time no is Cupid is playing kanang nagdula siya sa iyang tiil, iya jud na gi kuan iyang tiil. No, iya nang gilukso-luksuan ganina para mo pisik gid ang malipados. Then ako na siya gibidyohan. Wala na siya kabantay nga video ko. Then nakadungog siya music sa K-pop Demon Hunters mo nagsayaw-sayaw siya. Then nakabantay siyang gibidyohan. Kani siya no bisan asa ibutang na agad siya yung mga kalukuhan nga buhatan. See? Wherever you go, kanang naadyan siya yung mga kabuang nga buhaton. It's very, for me, it's very entertaining. And, so kaning uban is naka-white, they wear a white t-shirt. They wear the type B uniform, but ang white na himo na dyan siya nga brown. Nag-color na sa lapok tungod na ganina pagkamang-kamang nila. And then kani is challenging siya ni kay ilang sapatos ani is kanang nabasa na, nahugaw, and then ang bamboo is danglog na kayo. So, kani si Cupid na nga time. I thought, gani, madugay siya kay danglog. Pero, paspas mangyapon siya. Dangog na kayo na siya kay ang shoes yun nila, grabe nakahugaw. But, safety gyapon ni sila kay namin yan natatang ani nila just in case kanang something happen. Nasad ang mga medic ready for kanang mo rescue, ready mo rescue if ever something happened doing this activity. So, nagulat pa siya kay napay nasulod, dugay na kagawas. So, this time, he's very happy, Chud, for Yabuyag. Naadyan siya pero may smile sa iyang now. And then, going to the next challenge, kaning ligid, dapat magkuan sila. Laning, sa tawagan na eh. Basta. So, dari, murag baki si Cupid. Murag baki si Cupid, naglukso-lukso. Yan, naway nga danglog niya kay ulan. Tapos napay madipalos diya kaya ang katong tubig sa ulan is kanang nipundo siya kay murag na walog siya gamay. Dili siya level, dili siya flat. So, nadyo siya tubig. So, after ana, they have to go in line mag-wait para ani nga challenge. Kaning basic nga gihikot. Gikan sa kaway. Kani, nag-tutorial sila. Monita na ng Boy Scout nga join from schools. Gikan sa school nga ni Cupid. So, kani nga time, wala na yung mga kids. So, mana sila dahil ani nga challenge. So, I try. Kung kaya ba, and then, yeah, it's kaya and it's very fun, the iJud. I like doing this. Maybe I will find places na yung anibita challenge, but for adults, not for kids. I like doing challenge like this, which is why no question why Cupid like it. Why Cupid likes doing it. Because his mama loves it too. I'd like to do this kind of activity with Cupid, and it would be amazing. And if I'm doing activity like this, I want to make sure that it's safety, that everything is it has a safety. Kanang kay listen sad kayo nung magbuhat kay challenge na di ka sure this. So this time si Cupid na. So I thought jud dili niya buhaton kay medyo taas-taas siya abi na akong mahadlok kay man di ay ang mama ra man di ay mahadlok pero si Cupid wala jud. Mao ni ang pinaka most awaited niya nga part sa activity. Mao ni ang even though hapit na alauna sa hapon, ning hulat jud siya, it's because gusto gid siya ani nga challenge. Um, Maybe one day do I will find trick like challenge like this that I can do with him. Okay, I think very fun man siya doing this kind of activity. So during that time is dawaton unta ni siya sa nagatang sa ubos pero wala jud siya ni padawat kay kaya na niya. Very happy. So